Now, Patanjali says there is the real I am inside with which we are expected to identify ourselves, and that real I am is light by nature. It is self-luminous. For example, we know that we are existing without anybody suggesting us. In that way, it is self-luminous, self-knowing and self-suggesting. But we have no time to listen what the real I am says. Now, Patanjali suggests us scientific methods so that we begin to live in our own positive center, and instead of being affected by the environment, we can shine through the activity of the five senses outside, so that the light sends five of its rays into the environment and purifies the environment. If every one of us does in the same way, life can be led in such a way that light meets light, because in the center everyone is the same light, but in the mind everyone is different from the other, because everyone is affected by the environment in the mind. So, what is the process to be followed? First process, he says, you make a positive proposal that you should travel from your mind to your real self and grow aware of your own real existence and awaken as the real existence and begin to live as your real existence. This is called the positive proposal. He asks us to make a proposal for yourself and repeat the proposal as frequently as possible. Not repeating 15 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour a day in the name of meditation or yoga practice, but in the daily routine of yours, whatever you do, you propose this. Whatever you speak, you propose about this. And whatever you think, you make a proposal of this. Let every step of your daily routine in your daily life have this proposal repeated. So, whatever you do should be a repetition of this proposal. The proposal to grow into the awareness of your own real self, and this you have to do continuously and for a very, very long time. Continuously means all through the day. As long as you are not sleeping, you are expected to do it with every work, and for a very long time, he says. How long a time we have to do, we can ask. Until that question goes away from the mind is the answer.